Welcome to Veligandu Island Resort and Spa in the Maldives. We're going to take you on a tour of the resort today and cover everything from the amenities to the villas to the food and more. So hang out with us as we take you along, and if you really want to fast forward to any of the areas, there are chapters in the description. Arriving by seaplane is a pretty cool experience, and you start your check-in experience in this overwater bungalow where they bring you cold towels and fresh juice. You finish off your check-in experience here in the lobby, and you can watch other people and hear the drums as they're coming in. And then it's off to the villa. We stayed in a jacuzzi water villa on the sunrise side and took advantage of the all-inclusive package. So a lot of what you see here is included in the all-inclusive package. However, if you are not staying all-inclusive, you can just charge it to your room, although the items can get pretty expensive. The closet space was more than enough for us, and I'm a total overpacker. Honestly, at this resort, it's so casual, you really don't need to dress up for much. The bedroom area was spacious and clean. Leave your shoes at the door because you will drag in sand, and it really shows on the dark hardwoods. When your room boy cleans your room, they will also bring 2 bottles of fresh water every day. There were plenty of outlets and USB ports, but if coming from US, make sure that your hair appliances can convert to 240 volts. We absolutely loved the way that the doors opened up. It made it feel as if the outside were just part of the villa and made it feel so much bigger. We had a 12-hour time difference from Veligandu, so we spent most mornings having a cup of coffee watching the sunrise. Veligandu's pool area is just stunning, and it's pretty quiet most days. There weren't too many people using the pools. And even though this is a family-friendly resort, there weren't too many kids around. Sometimes you thought it was an adults-only place. I loved the aesthetics of this small pool area overlooking the ocean. With certain lighting, it was just brilliant.
here's where you get your towels. Take as many as you need, and then just beyond that are some restrooms. And if you keep going, you're going to come across some seating area that's just adjacent to the larger of the two bars. We'll take a closer look at the two bars later, but I just wanted to point out that there's some great seating areas if you want to come and just relax and have a drink. Of course, the main reason you come to the Maldives is for the gorgeous water, and it's no exception at Veligandu. It only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to walk the entire island, but you're going to see different beach areas. Some areas are much calmer, some are windier with larger waves, but in either case, it's just an amazing place to hang out, relax, and enjoy your vacation.
What's up, guys? We're in the ocean at the Maldives.
You will eat the majority of your meals at the Don Valley restaurant, which is the buffet. And although we ate most breakfasts, lunch, and dinners here, it never really got old. They did a great job at keeping up the variety of foods so that you can try something new almost every time. At breakfast, you can order made-to-order items, and then at lunch and dinner, they actually have 2 stations with different things going on, so you can get some made-to-order items as well. We took this particular video during an early morning breakfast so that we didn't interrupt other people who were trying to get their food. Once you're done with your meal, you walk out and this is your view. It really doesn't get much better than that. To give you an idea of where things are located, what's in front of you is the main bar area. And then to the right of that is the pool area. And then just to the right of that is the buffet. So everything's pretty close together and it's really easy to get from one place to another here. Madiwaru is the one a la carte restaurant at the resort. Since we were all-inclusive, we had one dinner included, and this place was pretty phenomenal. It was very quiet again while we were here, and so it felt like we had the whole place to ourselves. So we were seated right next to the ocean, and you could literally hear the waves crashing. Our food was delicious, and it's odd because you actually order your food while you're eating breakfast the morning of. The Thundi bar is the largest of the 2 bars on the island. This is the one closest to the pool and the buffet. There are so many drink options. A lot of them are included in your all-inclusive package if you take that route. But it's a great atmosphere to just hang out. There are some food items available during lunch hours at the bar, like pizza and sandwiches, and this is included in the all-inclusive package. So we did this a couple of days. This bar is also where they have the nighttime activities, and here's where they were getting things ready, and here it is at nighttime. As you can see, this is not a very happening resort for nighttime activities, but still it was nice to come listen to some 80s music and just have a few drinks. The Aetheri Bar is a much smaller bar at the north end of the island, closer to some of the villas. But the hours were pretty sporadic, and so we couldn't really get in to have a drink and relax, and it could just be because of the low occupancy. It was really fun to just walk around the island and take in some of the foliage and the sound around from all the birds. Now you'll notice that there's sand on the pathways everywhere. A lot of people don't wear shoes while they're walking around. Personally, I needed my flip-flops because my feet hurt. As you're walking down the pathways, you'll find the entrances to some of the beach villas. And here's a view of a beach villa from the beach. Almost every day when we were walking back to our villa, off of the deck we would see these little reef sharks, which I called baby sharks, and they were so cute. They are harmless. We would try to get in the water with them and they would just swim away. One morning, walking back from breakfast, we caught this amazing stingray. It was so cool seeing it so close to the beach. And then right after that, some little baby sharks swam by. It was cute. Did you know that there were bats in the Maldives? Check out this fruit bat. These are highly important to the ecosystem of the Maldives. I absolutely loved all the different seating areas that you could find around the beach and the pool areas. There is a medical clinic on site with a doctor, and this is where you will go if you need to get a COVID test before going home. If you must work out while you are here, there is a fitness center. It is quite small, but it has everything that you would need. While we didn't get any spa treatments ourselves, we did have a look around, and although we didn't get footage of a treatment room, you get a feel for the ambiance, and it smelled really good in here. If you forgot some items or you want to take a few things home, there is a gift shop on site. Also, a pro tip, around the corner from the gift shop is a restroom with a shower in it. So if on your last day you want to use the facilities after checking out, you could take a shower before heading home. There's an activities board near the dive shop that lists all of the activities available during the week. Some of them are included, others are not, but you can check it out to see what's available. The dive shop is really close to the lobby, and this is where you can book your dives or rent equipment. One of the best parts of having an overwater villa is that you can just walk down your little steps, go into the ocean and do some snorkeling. We saw fish, some other weird little creatures, and even a sea turtle. On site, you will find a volleyball court and an area where you can play soccer or football. Our all-inclusive package came with a sunset dolphin cruise. Now, we weren't sure if we were going to get to see dolphins. It's not guaranteed, but oh boy, we saw so many dolphins. It was amazing. And then at some point, it'll be time to say goodbye to the beautiful Veligandu Island and time to head back onto the seaplane to head back home. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching.